Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Travel with the Hose. In this video, I'll show you the rooms, breakfast, and the amazing thermal spa at Hotel The Mitsui in Kyoto, one of the rare natural hot springs in central Kyoto. Located in the heart of Kyoto, the hotel blends traditional Japanese architecture with modern refinement. From the moment you enter, the atmosphere is calm, warm, and unmistakably premium. Standard rooms typically cost around 150,000 yen per night, depending on season. The design focuses on natural wood, soft lighting, and Japanese craftsmanship. Overall, this is a luxurious stay, but it's definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum.
They even provided a kid's toothbrush.
Breakfast here is the highlight. You can choose between Japanese and Western options. Beautifully presented and made with local ingredients. Expect fresh fish, seasonal vegetables, pastries, and special teas. The hotel's thermal spring spa is one of its signature experiences. Fed by natural hot spring water located beneath the property, the spa features warm baths, steam rooms, and a serene subterranean design. For ultimate privacy, you can book a private onsen with its own garden. If you're visiting Kyoto and want a blend of tradition and modern comfort and an unforgettable spa experience, Hotel The Mitsui Kyoto is absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos.